Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, look at your phone right now. How many skincare ads have you seen today? Serums, peels, creams, all promising you a miracle for a price. We spend billions every year chasing clear skin, and yet most of us are still struggling, still searching. But here is what no beauty brand will ever tell you. The most powerful skincare secrets in human history were already revealed over 1,400 years ago. Today, we are going back to the Sunnah, back to the earth that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu created, back to the forgotten gold of the prophetic era. And I promise you, by the end of this video, your bathroom shelf will never look the same. Let's begin. Bismillah. Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard of wars? Most people haven't. And that is exactly the problem. Wars, known botanically as Mamekalon, is a perennial plant known since the time of the Prophet, peace be upon him, for its deep, golden yellow color and extraordinary healing power. The women of the Sahaba used this plant regularly, not just as a dye, as a skin remedy. In the classical texts of Tibb Nabawi, prophetic medicine, wars was the trusted treatment for 3 specific conditions: hubub, acne, and breakouts, used to draw impurities out from beneath the skin, clearing clogged pores from the root; hyperpigmentation, applied to balance dark patches and bring the complexion back to evenness; khalaf, freckles, melasma, and sun marks, used to fade marks left by the sun or pregnancy, what we call melasma today. And modern research, it confirms what the Sahabiyat already knew. Worises contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce swelling, and antibacterial properties that target the very root of acne. Allah Jalalu placed the cure inside the plant, and the women of that era were wise enough to use it. Now I want to share with you a narration that has stayed with me because it is both beautiful and practical. It is narrated that the Prophet, peace be upon him, saw our mother, Salama. May Allah be pleased with her, with aloe applied to her face. He, peace be upon him, inquired about it, and he affirmed that aloe vera, when applied at night, brightens the face. Sabr, the aloe plant, a gift from Allah, placed in the earth, available to everyone. But now combine it with habatus sauda, black seed oil. You have heard the hadith, and the black seed is healing for every disease except death. That is the Prophet, peace be upon him, himself speaking. Science today has isolated the compound that makes it so powerful: thymoquinone, a potent antioxidant. It revitalizes skin cells, reduces inflammation, and protects against environmental damage. Aloe hydrates. It restores that natural glow from within. Blackseed heals. Together, they are unstoppable. Okay, enough theory. Let's get practical. Here are 3 recipes you can make at home tonight. With ingredients you can find at your local herbal shop or online: Worises powder plus organic rose water. Mix to a paste. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Evens skin tone and gives a soft, natural glow. Fresh aloe vera gel. Apply directly to the face before sleeping. Let it absorb overnight. Clears and brightens the complexion while you rest. Aloe gel plus a few drops of black seed oil plus a pinch of turmeric. Mix gently and apply to areas of inflammation, acne, or tired skin. Calms, repairs, and revitalizes. My dear brothers and sisters, before I let you go, I want to leave you with something more important than any recipe: this body. This is an amana, a trust from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He gave it to you, and He will ask you about it. Taking care of your skin, your health, using the pure ingredients that He placed in the earth. That is an act of worship. That is gratitude in action. Not everything beneficial is new. Some of the greatest cures were simply forgotten. Today, we remember together, Allahumma kama hassanta khalqi fahassin khuluqi. O Allah, as you have made my physical form beautiful, so make my character beautiful. May Allah grant you light in your face, light in your heart, and light in your grave. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.